In this video, I was asked from Sean Franklin 5455. Thank you for the video. Is there an adapter for connecting a garden hose? And the answer is yes. And I've got two methods for you. Thank you for the question. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to hook this pump up to a regular garden hose is a 3/4 inch MHT fitting to a 1/2 inch MIP fitting. And these are pretty inexpensive. And all you got to do is simply screw it straight into the pump. Just like this. And that now will accept a hose. I happen to have my hose, part of a hose anyway, with me. Just like that. And now I should be able to plug this in and get some water out of it. Point it down to the water. Now I should be able to just drop the hose in. Plug it in. And now watch. Look at that. Running the water, running the hose. Gentle shower. Back to. Look at that. See that? So that's one method here. It's just a regular old hose connected to it. So I'm holding it above my head now. So it's got pretty good lift. That's one method. I'll show you the next method. So now if you got a hose that you really don't care about, you don't want it, you don't need one of these ends on there, and you'd rather go the really cheap route, and you don't really care if you can reuse the hose somewhere else, you can cut the end off. Okay, so you cut the end off, and these come with a whole variety of different fittings, and one of them is going to fit your hose. So now all I got to do is stick the hose onto the barbed fitting, just like that, and this is ready to go. We'll take it back over to the water, put the pump in the water, just like that. Plug in the pump. And there we go. Same method. Now both these pumps are kind of old and worn out, so you're going to want to start with a newer pump, but there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you hook up a garden hose. Two methods to hooking a garden hose up to your rain barrel pump. This is just a standard Harbor Freight pump. I've got a video all about these. To get something out of this, like, share, and subscribe, and have a great day.